I haven't had water in the tub. Or I had water, but it was like, I wasn't using it. And, you know, lately I've just been, it's the dead of winter. The weather has been like this, rainy, snowy, dark, gray. And this is when, you know, the like, I don't want to say depression, but I want to say kind of like the low energy, low vibe kicks in. So before it gets dark on a Saturday night, in my mind, I'm like always wishing I had clean water in the tub so that when I have the moment, or I know that I could use the cold dip, you know, the full body cold dip, that it's going to be available. So I have a insulated top that I keep it covered so the water stays clean. And so I just sprayed it with like an all natural cleaner. I'm going to rinse it out. And I am going to fill it up with water so that it's ready to go whenever I'm ready to go into the colds, into the depths of my soul, to feel better and to have that like energy boost through the cold water experience. So that's what's happening right now. I gotta hurry before it gets dark. Hopefully, you know, it was snowing before. I think it's borderline getting a little warmer, so it's a little rainy, but it's definitely probably gonna get dark soon. So we are getting close. Wait, you guys can't see. Yeah, you're getting close. There we go. So we're getting close. It's my old company, Believe in Humans. And let's see, is it snowing? No. All right, so we're really close, but that's the line. So that's what I'm shooting for right there. You can tell it's gotten pretty dark while the flash is on. It kind of does look like snow though. Is it? Is it snowing? It's kind of mixed. Yeah. Cool. Almost done. So that didn't take that long. No big deal. And just this is the back of what I used for the cover. So it's got waterproof tape around it, which was a real pain. I didn't actually do very well right there. But I just wiped the inside down, and then once it's on top of the tub, then I will wipe down the top. I use heavy things, so you could use like these. You could fill protein powder bottles with water, which I just got some new ones, so there's different options. But we're just about there. And you may be wondering if I'm getting in the tub tonight. No, it's gonna be much more of a very vibey thing. I used to do it like every day when I was first healing and into it, but I just take 2-minute cold showers every single day. So tonight, that's what I'll do, I think. This weather doesn't make me wanna get in the tub, but it's pushing through what you don't wanna do, you know, getting comfortable with being uncomfortable. So, but I don't think I'm doing it tonight. Hey, you never know. Yeah, we're good. All right. Yeah, that's it. No, so hold on. bigger this time than last time. I think I would do it smaller like the first time I did it, but you know, it is what it is. I'm just gonna wipe it down. Before I secure it, and then it's gonna be good to go. And sometimes it will freeze up. Depends how cold it is. But this is, I need a new rag, but it's alright. Better than nothing. It's cold, my fingers are freezing. Breathing is really important when you get into cold water, learning how to deep breath. All right, yeah, so let me get, this is gross. I'm gonna get the other, what do you call them? I don't know, weights? Weights. I think because I made it so big, the cut of this, I need more weights. It's kind of annoying, honestly. I use these. There we go. And that's it. So if you are interested in like methods to up your vibration, to live life in a higher vibration, and to ascend and elevate your energy, click subscribe and follow and the bell, so then you'll be notified when I upload anything or go live. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, feel free to shoot me a message, and thanks. See you. Bye.